Step 1. To mount the template, drill out dimple locations and secure with the provided hardware. Step 2. Drill out the corners to 1/2 inch. Step 3. Cut along the template outline using a jigsaw. Step 4. Remove the template. Step 5. Connect the corners to the outline cuts with the jigsaw. Step 6. Smooth the edges with a file. Secure the window and frames to the bulkhead using the provided hardware. If you have any questions or need help, visit our website or contact customer service.